Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. What I really like about the Mocha Mousse color is that it's a really wearable color, so it works for every skin tone, and you can choose if you're gonna use it in the daytime, for example, or in the nighttime. You can switch between the soft makeup looks and the dramatic makeup looks, so we can play with it. Goes with anything. So if you don't want to use some browns or mocha in your clothes, for example, you can use it in the makeup. So here in my channel this year, you're gonna see a lot of different makeup looks using this color, so I hope that you like it. And the idea that I got for today's look, I hope that you'll love it much as I do. So to match the look is really easy. That's what I love about it. And let's get started this makeup look. So I'm gonna start off the look using a moisturizer. This is the Hydrating Lotion by Samways, and what I love about it is how it moisturizes the skin, and at the same time it gives me that glow that I love. So I'm gonna put a little bit here in the recipient. Okay, good. I'm gonna apply using a foundation brush. Look at this glow. Wow. This product is very good and it makes your skin so beautiful and really moisturized. That's what I love about it. Can you see this? Stunning. My face looks like a moon, but when I apply the foundation, it looks gorgeous. Now I'm gonna apply my foundation, and I choose for this look the True Match foundation. I use Classic Ivory. I love this foundation because the consistency is so thin and how it looks in my skin. So I'm gonna apply it right on top of the moisturizing highlighter, or highlighting moisturizer, however you like to call it. But for me, it looks stunning. You're gonna see when my foundation dry in my face. Sometimes when I use bronzer, I like to use a darker foundation and a gold type of highlighter, so it looks amazing, guys. But now my skin is a little bit pale again, so I don't really want to apply too much product to the gold side. I really like this foundation because this is a light coverage and it looks invisible in my skin. So I'm gonna apply a small amount of product just to take up the imperfections, and I don't need too much for this look because today I'm going for a more soft type of look in the skin, especially for Mocha Mousse. I'm gonna use concealer by Shiseido. I'm gonna apply a small amount of product here, here, and here. And what I love about this concealer is that this is a light to medium coverage, so I got all the effects that covers the imperfection, and at the same time it seems like there is nothing in my eyes. So I really love it, and I'm gonna use a small amount of product in the areas that I want to take off those imperfections, darkness, redness. And to blend, I'm gonna use the same damn beauty blender that I was using to blend my foundation. So I'm gonna use bronzer by Rare Beauty, and this is the shade Happy Soul. I really like to use this bronzer that is a little bit more cool tone for my skin, especially to create this Mocha Mousse makeup look. So I'm gonna use this product where I want to sculpt and create some shadow in my face, and at the same time create some bronzing effects. This is one of my favorite products, so I'm gonna use it today. To set the skin, I used Fenty Beauty Translucent Powder, and I love this product so much. I love how thin it is, how it makes my skin long wear, and it's stunning at the same time. Like, I cannot notice the powder in my face, and it looks so good. I also love how it smells. It's a very type of, not too much fragrance, just a little bit, but so good. I really recommend for you to try this. I bought the travel size and I really wanted the original one. So Fenty Beauty is one of my favorites. Next, I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Liquid Blush, and this is the shade Latte. I love how it blends in my skin, but I remember that I just set with the powder. So let's see if it works or if I'm gonna apply it differently. This blush is very pigmented, so I want to apply just a small amount. And I'm gonna take the same foundation that I was applying, my foundation brush, foundation brush, and I'm gonna just blend this blush right here to create this Mocha Mousse makeup look. Even if I got my skin set, look how easy it is to blend. So you can use this product as a contour as well. I absolutely love it. It's a more warm brown. Okay, here I applied a lot of powder and I'm having a little bit of difficult to blend, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it all. And also the shape of the brush that I'm using to blend the product. It's a brown blush and it never happens before, but I love this color. I'm gonna apply on the other side. Wow, I love it. So now I'm gonna use Mariposa's palette by Melt Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use a shimmery blush right on top. I'm gonna use this shade right here, which is stunning. And I'm gonna just press in the product right on top to give me that glow. Ooh, look at this. Amazing, guys. Next, to fix a few areas of my face, I'm gonna use powder foundation by KVD Beauty, and this is the shade Light 42, and I'm gonna apply using a brush like this. So I'm gonna take a small amount of product, and I'm gonna just press like this to soften the blush a little bit. And again, remove the excess product. Next, I'm gonna use Sigma Matte Bronzer, and this is the shade Light. I'm gonna use the smallest amount. Give me back some bronzy look. And this is very light. So I'm gonna apply just right here to emphasize the area a little bit. Here and here. Next, Glow Kissed palette by Sigma Beauty. Look how stunning it is. Wow. And I'm gonna use the highlighter just in the highest points, but I'm gonna use a small one again. So I'm gonna use this and this just in the highest point of my cheekbones. I'm gonna take the same brush because this is a lot easier to blend. And by the way, this is by Glam. So to create the Mocha Mousse type of makeup look, I'm gonna use most this brush. This is very buttery, so it sticks into the skin even if you have your skin set with a translucent powder, for example. So this is the eye look that I created for today, and I'm gonna use Brunette palette by Melt Cosmetics. This palette is everything, it's easy to use in all neutral shades. Look at this palette. I really recommend for it to try because it's a high quality palette, it's amazing, and all the colors here you can use every day. Okay, so the first shade that I'm gonna use is this one. No, wait, I'm gonna apply the eyeliner first. What I'm talking about. But the whole look I used only this palette. I'm gonna use a thin brush like this, and I'm gonna apply a gel liner. This is E10. I'm gonna use Wicked by Sigma. This is my favorite gel liner from many years now, more than 10 years I believe, I don't know. So I'm gonna use a little bit, and I'm gonna apply in the upper lashes and lower lashes as well. I'm gonna remove the excess product here carefully. It don't need to be perfect. I'm gonna just apply like this. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit in the lower lash line to the middle of the eye. To blend the eyeliner, I'm gonna switch the brush and I'm not gonna add any more product. So I'm gonna use this brush. It's a firm brush and this is E21 by Sigma. I love it because it's very small, a firm brush. So to blend any product, liquid products, powder products, this is easy. So I'm gonna use to diffuse the jawliner that I just applied in the eyes. So it's gonna stay where I want it to be. And here in the outer corners, just with what is left in the brush, I'm gonna bring it out a little bit like this, kind of creating a wing effect, but not too much, just to continue this smoky eye. So when I layer the next eyeshadows, it's gonna look amazing. I really want to keep it just in the roots of the lashes. By the way, this is more a dramatic glam Mocha Mousse makeup, but I really like it. Good. So let's go ahead and apply the eyeshadows. I'm gonna use this one, the darkest medium dark shade. So I'm gonna use a angled brush like this to layer this eyeshadow right on top of the gel liner that I just applied, because I want to take off the black from the eyes, but at the same time I need something dark to stick to it. So I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow right on top, and this is the effects that I get. So let's go. Looking very good. Next, with a pencil brush like this, I'm gonna use this shade and I'm gonna apply into my crease. So this is the first layer that I'm gonna apply in the eyelids. And I'm gonna blend in circular motion, so like this. Okay, next I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow all over, and I'm gonna switch the brush for a blending brush. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this one, like this. So I'm gonna apply in the outer corners first. And next, I'm gonna bring to my crease, but to the middle of the eye. So I kind of diffuse the shadow again. So I go back with the same first shade. And I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow in the rest of the eyelid. I want to make it a lot more darker, so I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow here. And I'm gonna apply using this brush this time. Like this. Now that I'm happy with the eyeliner, no, not yet. I'm gonna just bring it out with the same brush like this, because I'm comparing both of the sides and I forgot to do this. Like this. Now we are ready. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I was using before, and I'm gonna take the smallest amount of this eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply to diffuse the eyeliner and the other eyeshadows. Next, I'm gonna use the lightest shade, and I'm gonna apply in the tear duct area and in the brow bone. Here and here. So you can use it matte as this side if you like, or as the other side you can apply some glitter or just a reflex if you like. So I'm gonna use Maven Beauty, and this was the shade Super Moon, but it was a copper shade. I chose a pigment, I mixed everything, and this is the result that I got. So I'm gonna apply in my recipient a little bit of this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply using a brush in my eyelids. So I'm gonna use this brush right here and take a little bit, and I'm gonna just apply on top. So I finished off the eye with the falsies. I love this blush so much. And this is the result for the eyes. Now I'm gonna do the lips with you guys. So I'm gonna use two lip contour and Foxy. This is Foxy lip liner and French Kiss. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this and more of this all around the lips. And the lipsticks that I'm gonna use is Underground and Buttercup by George Cosmetics. And those are the colors. This is more a pinkish nude, and the other is more a cool brown. And this is how I finished the Glam Mocha Mousse makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next videos. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look and what you want to see next here on my channel. Let's see you in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye! I forgot to mention subscribe to my channel if you liked this video, and leave it a thumbs up if you did.